And welcome back again, everybody. Before I get going on this video, I'm going to say real quick, if you like what you see in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comments go down below, and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And we'll head outside here real quick like we always do. Not a real great day here. It's been pretty much light rain all day. I don't know how much we've got. It's rather damp. And it's only about 50 degrees out right now. Gonna have to mow the yard again when the sun comes out. Anyway, get back in here before the heaters kick on. I forgot to shut them off. Speaking of heaters, I picked that up yesterday. And that's a Reznor. It's 125,000 BTU. And got a pretty good deal on it, or what I think was a pretty good deal. Guy I got it from, super nice guy, and he said that it was in his grandpa's, his grandpa's hunting shack, or whatever you want to call it. So it really didn't get used all that much. And I know you all are going to miss the rocket heaters turning on and off every once in a while, but I believe that is going to be a lot better, going to be a lot quieter. Not 100% sure where I'm going to put it in here. I think I might put it in this corner right over here. But I don't need to decide that right now. I'm not going to get that thing all set up till next fall, so I have a little bit of time to worry about that. Plus I need to convert it from natural gas over to propane. Anyway, enough about heaters. And I just got done cleaning this door all up. I went ahead and cleaned it up in here fairly well, but cleaned all around the outside of it where it's going to get painted, and now I need to tape it off. And I think I'm going to tape it off right along this line here, because the door panel comes all the way down to here, and I'm not going to worry about painting all that up in there. So I need to get to taping and sanding. So we're just going to come in here and start taping this off. I think I have enough tape here to do this door, and the wife's going to bring me home some more on her way home from work. Doesn't have to be perfect, but we'll get her close. Just putting this on here now so we can sand. So anyway, I am going to continue doing this all around the door and get it taped up, and we'll start sanding this sucker. Actually, I think I have plenty to do this door and the other door. Didn't have near as much to tape as I was thinking in my head for some reason. Alright, so gonna come in here. I got 320 grit, and this is a pretty flexible. I may have to just do some with my fingers on some of these surfaces, but you just lightly sand all this. You're not wanting to go down to bare metal, you just want to get basically the top coat scuffed up. But you don't want to miss any parts either. So we've got to do this around the whole door. You just want to get it scuffed up a little bit so the primer will have something to stick to. And then we'll be ready to paint. I'm going to keep doing this, get this all sanded up, and I'll bring you back in. Alrighty, so I got the outside of this door all sanded, and need to get to work on that one. But got her all sanded down. This is pretty much ready for paint. Got to take some wax and grease remover and clean it all off real good, but other than that, should be ready to go. And I was hoping that maybe by the end of this week I could get some color on that. Weather, I think, is going to be getting up to 70, or pretty darn close anyhow. But I still need to get down to the salvage yard and get a darn hood, because I want to paint it at the same time. Don't really have to, I guess, but I'd like to. And I'm not real sure what the weather's going to do. I got to clean that up outside in that little paint booth concoction that I made out there. Got to get that all cleaned out. Got to get plastic on it. Got to get some fans in there. which I think one of my fans broke. And if it would happen to get nice out for more than one day, we're probably going to be getting out in the field again. So may just need to hold off on that. Just wait and get things ready in the meantime. And I hope when I go to the salvage yard, they actually have a decent hood. I guess it wouldn't hurt anything. I could paint the doors, get the doors painted up. And then when I get a hood, paint it. Have to see what the weather's going to do. And actually for painting, just painting the inside of the doors like that, I could probably set it up even without any plastic or anything. Wouldn't take very long to paint it. Dries fairly quick. It's not like there's a bunch of dust flying around or anything right now. And it's not quite like the outside where you want to do the best you can and not get any dirt or bugs or anything in it. I'll give that a little thought. I know when I painted the inside of the fenders on my truck and inside of the hood, I just set them up out here and sprayed them, and they turned out real good. And Buddy wants out. There you go, Buddy. And I'll join you guys to keep going on this video. Tomorrow I'm going to call it a night tonight, and tomorrow we'll get going again. And just like that, welcome to tomorrow. At least it quit raining. We're going to kind of start drying up, I think. Chance of showers, I think there's a chance tonight. Tonight, slight chance tomorrow, just kind of off and on. I think the sun's supposed to come out though, at least. Not too bad out right now, no wind. Anywho, so like you saw, well, you just saw, so I'm not going to go over it again. I got this all sanded down. It's pretty much ready. Like I said, I just got to clean it off. Take some wax and grease remover, but I'll do that right before I paint. So real quick, I'm going to flip this door over. And I'm going to get this molding off real quick. If I just flip it over like that. Yeah, I'd rather have it like this. Dump it on the floor or hit the Bronco. Alright, so the way I get these side moldings off, putty knife, just put it underneath there and start tapping on it. Now, of course, if you don't want to damage your paint, I don't know what you do. Heat them up, I suppose. But this really makes it go fairly quick. And being that we're going to repaint it, not too worried about the paint. And voila! One side molding off. And if anybody needs a set of white side moldings for a Bronco, I believe I have a whole set. We could probably work something out. And I'm going to try to get the rest of this adhesive off, which most of it stayed on the molding. I don't know if this wheel is going to work. I tried to round it. We'll see. And I'm not sure why. It usually takes it right off. I'm thinking this wheel, this must be old or something, because I've done this before and it comes right off. This stuff seems really hard. Got it. Not exactly sure why it came off so tough. I have an idea why it came off so hard, and I'll let you in on that here in just a second. And what I'm thinking is this has either been replaced or something. Or they just did it different between a 93. This is off of my 94, my truck, and a little different. This is some kind of black stuff. This has, it looks kind of whitish, but it's gray. It's totally different, feels totally different than this. So I don't know if this had been replaced at one time or what exactly. Maybe it fell off and they redid it themselves. I have no idea, but I know it came off a lot tougher than the ones on my truck. Anyway, yeah, if anybody needs a set of these for their Bronco, white ones, I think I have a set. And now I'm going to say, I know there's something down at my P.O. box, or I believe there is. Somebody contacted me and they had sent something. I haven't gotten an alert on it, and I haven't been down there yet either. But if you have anything such as a license plate for the license plate wall or anything else you want to send into the Fox shop, address where you can do so is down in the description. Also a link down there for hoodies, t-shirts, channel stickers. Links down below. So I'm going to clean that up a little bit more, and then I'm going to get started on this here door. Might go down to the salvage yard tomorrow and see if I can find me a hood. Or Badger Bob, if you're watching this. I'm not exactly sure where you're from. I think you're from around here somewhere. And you said, it was either in the last video or the video before that you have a decent hood. Go to my email address in the description and shoot me a message. Anywho, I'm not going to show doing this one. It's going to be the exact same thing, and then the doors will be done. We're going to throw some paint on these things real quick. As soon as the weather cooperates, I may work on getting this all cleaned out. I may do that today. I'm going to put a bunch of this stuff over in the old shop. And like I said, for doing the inside of the hood and fenders, I may not enclose this whole thing and set up the fans and everything. Not sure it's really worth it for the inside parts. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it. I'm going to get this door off of here, get that other door set up on there, and start working on it. And if you like this video, give her a thumbs up, leave comments down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye. What a mess.